Hi to all, I hope you guys are really doing good. Let's come to the point. In last class we discussed about Vim and Nano editors. After watching that video, so now you guys are really good in Vim and Nano editors. So today we are going to discuss about some new topics that are packaging, compression, gzip and unzip. Really these topics are they're in the real time they're using very much. So let's start. So this is what, like, here what exactly I'm doing. So I'm here I'm zipping and unzipping and I'm creating the tar file and untar. So this is what exactly. So let's go with some real-time examples. I'll close. So I'm going to so from here the home, and one more thing. Yeah, so coming to for the packaging, like as I said, so we're going to see packaging, compression, gzip and unzip. So coming to packaging, group of files in a folder can be packaged into a single file using packaging. Okay, so Linux has provided a software utility called the tar. So in packaging, this is the one here. So packaging tar minus cvf target dot tar source directory. So unpacking, so unpack, so packaging we are using cvf, and like this is the for like the file name, and this is the unpacking for the xvf, and this is the file name, and this is the target, like this is the tar. So in the normal, so unpacking to a different directory we can use the this format like the xvf. This is the target is the file name, and this is the directory here. So if I want to know the size of the file of the directory contains, we need to use duh file name and the directory name we are going to. So for this one, I have already let me go here. Yeah, 1 second. So I have already created one directory here. I don't want to waste your time. So let's move on with directly that folder, sorry, the directory. So here I created, here you are able to see, right, pics. I will show you about the structure about the pics directory. See, so in the pics we have one more directory called the folder flow, called the folder, and one more thing I have the one image, so card.png. So maybe you are little bit confused, like I'll show you from directory and from directory here. So cd pics, right? So cd pics, I'll show ls. So ls the flow. So in the flow we have, 1 second, ls, so card.png. So this is what, like in the we have one directory called pics. So in that we have one more directory flow, and in the flow we have card.png. We have a zip, you have an image file that will be like image, like img file, png file, like any file, it comes under any file. So now I am going to package this file. So I am using tar.cvf. So now I am here. Let me go back to home here. 1 second. So this is the one, tar minus cvf. What the folder I am going to this one, flow. I am going to packaging this file, flow dot tar. This is the format we are going to use, and the file name flow. See, now we are able to see, right? So let me show you this, the tar file package is created or not. So now see, now so in the pics we have now flow and one more called flow.tar, right? Yes. So now I'm going to unpack, so this one, right? So I'm going to unpack like any like if you want to for example, there is no file, right, name based on the flow in the home directory. Here the home directory means here there is no flow directory or folder. Let me create here. Okay, so the same thing for the tar minus xvf flow dot tar c tilde. It will going back to home directory. Okay, let me show you. Sorry, see, I'll go back to here, home directory. So let me show you. See, now we are able to see flow here. You understand my point? So I have packaged here and zipped here, and I have unpacked here. So here this is the one for unpacking. But I unpacked into different directory. Like I unpacked in the home directory. We packed and we unpacked, right? So this is what. So now I'm going to delete this one. So for delete one, where I'm going to use rmrf the flow directory. See, now it won't be there. See, now it won't be there. So now if I want to see particular the file directory contains like the size. Okay, so du, let me go back to here, cd pix, right, this one, du hyphen h flow dot, yeah, this one, flow dot tar. So this is, see, now you are able to see the size. This is the 12 KB, right? So this is the command for if I want to see the size of the file or directory. So we can use duh file command. So coming to compression, the group of files of a folder cannot be compressed directly unless those are packaged into a single tar file. So the compression technique will reduce the size of the original files. Here the major thing is we can compress the size of the original file. Okay, for this one we are using gzip, that means compression. Unzip means uncompression. Okay, let me take you here, 1 second. Sorry, where, yeah, so I'm coming back to here. So this is the one for the gzip, right? Gzip, what's the this one, flow dot tar. Let me show you pics. See, now that the this one, the tar file is zipped into zip, like in the .gz. Okay, now I want to see the previous how much the file size is there, 12 KB, right? Now I want to see the size. What is the size? To see the size, command duh flow dot tar dot gz. See, now it's reduced or not. So what I did is compressed. I used gz. Okay, previous how much it's there, 12 KB. Now how much it's there, 4 KB. Now you got little bit clarity about packaging and compressing like gz. Now I want to unzip. Okay, that means uncompression. Okay, the same thing I need to use here for the uncompressing, like unzip. What is the file .tar.gz. So let me, so if we unzip, right, it will back to tar file. So now previous what's the extension, tar.gz. now it will be flow.tar. See, now it's the flow.tar. Now if I want to see the size, this one, what's the command, duh flow dot tar. See, it coming back to 12 KB, right? You guys understand now. So coming to here, this is the one, gz, it creates a target. Actually it creates a target of the file with zipped content in the same directory. Here like you won't find the tar file. That's what here. Now we are unzipped, right? Now you won't find that tar.gz. You will find only tar because we have already unzipped. Okay, that's what like about this packaging and compression. So I want to tell one more command. So let me take you back to home page, 1 second. So here we have couple of files, right? So this one, so I want to delete, I forget to tell in the about delete folders and files. now I want to see couple of files and folders to delete at a time. So this is the command rmrf. So now I want to delete these things, like these directories: adera, first.txt, like.txt, new world. I'll show you now. Adera, okay, and one more thing, what's the here, rebel and trust one, and one more thing was like and new world. So I want to see the list. See, now there is no file, it's deleted. Like the combination of multiple files or multiple directories, we can delete it at a time. We can use rmrf, and we need to use just space. That's it. Like, if you like my video, please subscribe and hit on the bell button. Thanks for watching.